Hi there, Adam Schreifels here. I'm here to share with you the Life platform. I'm going to be documenting my journey on using an app-based platform called Nowsite Life that will connect you with a team of experts, a dedicated team of experts to help you achieve your goals. So without further ado, let's show you the platform. I'm going to share my screen here and you'll be able to see exactly what it looks like. It, I just got my invitation last night to start with the platform, and here is what it looks like. So I was asked to determine what my goals are in 3 different areas and what my primary goal is. It's for business, increase my business, grow my business. And so I've been Coach Javier, I've been teamed up with Coach Javier to help me achieve that. And I set up an appointment today to meet with him and discuss my strategy and goals. But we also have 2 secondary goals, one of which is in the area of health and fitness. My goal is to lose weight. I gained a few during the pandemic. So I was teamed up with um, Haley Smith, who is a health and fitness my health and fitness advisor. And the third area uh, that you can work on is spiritual and mental well-being. And my goal is to find purpose in life. And I've been teamed up with Chanel Smith to help me do that. So a little of how this works. I'm just getting started. So this is the first time I'm really seeing this. Inspirational content will be posted to my uh, feed every day. And as you can see here, how to find your passion, 8 YouTube channels you should follow for spiritual growth, a time when Buddha could not forgive, why it's never too late to start exercising. These are all things that are related to the goals I want to achieve. And I just watched this one, and my goodness, I never thought uh, about how to breaking it down to a scientific. I mean, it talks about dopamine and how we used to get dopamine through creating things, and now people primarily get it through consuming things, and as a result, they get addicted. Maybe you're addicted to watching TV, playing video games, drinking, smoking, whatever. Um, and in order to find passion, you have to minimize those um, ways of getting of the consumption ways of getting dopamine. But it was really interesting. So as you can see here, um, I've set my goals. I'm going to meet with my business advisor today to discuss my business goals. Um, but I've set my goal for the health and fitness. My daily goal is to set a daily calorie goal and keep within it. And so far, so good, but it's early. And my other is to meditate for 5 minutes in the morning. I actually did that today. So I've achieved one of my goals today, which is pretty awesome. And as you can see, uh, this is a little bit of how it looks like. There'll be content. That's the content. As far as the goals go, here they are. You can keep track. You'll have a vision board that you can add to so you can visualize your goals. And we all know that that's important. And I don't have any achievements yet because I just got it started. But that in and of itself is an achievement. Insight, it asks you what your happiness and motivation is every day. And mine's kind of been at a 4. Hopefully that goes up. And I haven't created any custom habits yet. I'll do that once I've started working with my team of experts. But I'm going to be sharing my progress weekly. So stay tuned. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be a journey. And if you're interested in working with a team of experts yourself, there's a link below. You can get started with this app for less than the price of a cup of coffee a day. And in fact, I am offering people as an inaugural gift and promotion, I will actually take care of your first month subscription for this product because I believe in it so much. And I will give you a $300 restaurant or hotel discount card. I'm part of a marketing incentive group that allows me to give away freebies like that. So don't delay. That's not going to last forever. Click on the link below and you can get started and join this journey with me. It's going to be epic. I'm so excited. Peace. We'll see you soon. Gonna stop this. There we go.